Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate ganache at home easily. First, gather your simple ingredients, good quality chocolate and heavy cream. For a classic ganache, aim for a 1-to-1 ratio by weight, like 8 ounces of chocolate to 8 ounces of cream. You can use chocolate chips, a chopped bar, or even couverture. The quality of your chocolate truly makes a difference in the final taste and texture, so choose wisely for a rich, decadent treat. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Carefully heat your heavy cream in a small saucepan over medium heat. Watch it closely. You want to see small bubbles forming around the edges, but do not let it come to a rolling boil. Once it's hot, immediately remove it from the heat. Pour the hot cream directly over your prepared chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Make sure all the chocolate pieces are fully submerged in the warm cream. After pouring the cream, let the mixture sit for about 5 minutes without stirring. This allows the residual heat from the cream to melt the chocolate completely. Then, starting from the center of the bowl, gently stir with a whisk or spatula in small circles, gradually expanding outwards. Continue stirring until the mixture is completely smooth, shiny, and beautifully emulsified. This creates that luxurious, velvety texture we all love. Here are a few final tips for perfect ganache every time. If your ganache looks oily or separated, don't panic. Just add a tablespoon of warm milk or cream and whisk it vigorously until it comes back together. You can store your homemade ganache in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. When you're ready to use it, gently warm it up. It's fantastic as a glaze, a filling, or even whipped into a rich frosting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.